Hey there! Are you tired of emailing files back and forth? Want to collaborate with your team more efficiently? Click the link in the description below to sign up for Dropbox and start your free trial today. Dropbox is a cloud storage service that lets you store, share, and collaborate on files from anywhere. With Dropbox, you can access your files on any device, at any time. Whether you're working remotely or in the office, Dropbox keeps your files synced and up to date. Some of the key features of Dropbox include file sharing, collaboration tools, and robust security. You can share files with anyone, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. Plus, with features like Smart Sync and Dropbox Paper, you can collaborate with your team in real time. So why choose Dropbox? With Dropbox, you can increase productivity, reduce email clutter, and ensure that your files are safe and secure. Plus, with integrations with popular apps like Microsoft Office and Google Docs, you can work seamlessly across platforms. Dropbox offers a range of plans to fit your needs, from individual plans to team plans. With competitive pricing and flexible billing options, you can choose the plan that's right for you. Thanks for watching. If you want to get started with Dropbox, click the link in the description below to sign up for your free trial today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. See you in the next video.